Hello students, this is chemistry session for class 10th and today I am here and I am going to discuss role of pH in everyday life. In the last session I had explained what is pH and how it is related to the nature of solution. So let us see. Actually, living organism survive within narrow range of pH and our body also works within very narrow range of pH. And this range is 7.0 to 7.8. This is the range of pH within which our body works well and all the living organisms survive within this range of pH. If pH value goes beyond this limit or goes below this limit, then the survival becomes difficult. As you know, the pH of acid rain, it is less than 5.5. So, when rainwater mixes with the river water, then what will happen to the pH? The pH of river water will decrease. It decreases. pH of river water will decrease. So, the survival for the aquatic animals become difficult. So, the animals living in the river water, their survival becomes difficult. Okay. So, from this it is very clear that our body works within certain range of pH and this range is 7.0 to 7.8 and as you know, the pH of acidic rain, this is less than 5.5 and when acid rain water mixes with water bodies, then the pH of water bodies decreases and that is why the survival for the aquatic animals becomes difficult. And now another role of pH in digestive system. As we know, HCl has a very important role in the digestion of food. HCl, hydrochloric acid, it plays very important role in the digestion of food. It is secreted in the stomach, but when excess HCl is produced during indigestion, then what will happen? It will decrease the pH of our stomach and that is why it causes pain and irritation. So, what we will do to get relief from this pain? we should use antacid to get relief from pain, because antacid neutralizes the effect of excess acid produced in our stomach and gives relief. So, let us we conclude this. HCl, it is produced in our stomach and it is very helpful in digestion of food. Okay. But during indigestion, what happens? Excess HCl is produced, excess HCl is produced in our stomach and it decreases the pH. What happens? It decreases the pH of our stomach, and so what will happen? It causes pain and irritation. Okay. To get relief from pain, we should use antacid. Antacids, we should use antacid and we will get relief from pain. How antacid gives relief? Because antacid, it neutralizes the effect of excess acid produced in our stomach and gives relief. Now, take a screenshot of it. Now, as you know, tooth decay is major problem in our everyday life, and pH plays very important role in this. So, role of pH in tooth decay. As you know, tooth enamel is the hardest substance in our body. What is this? Tooth enamel. It is hardest substance in our body and it is made up of calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate. Okay. So, this is the hardest substance in our body and it is made up of calcium phosphate. The pH of our mouth, pH of our mouth is nearly 5.5, and when we eat food, the food particles stick in our teeth, and due to attack of bacteria, some acid is produced in our mouth and then what will happen? The pH of our mouth goes below 5.5. So, it causes tooth decay or tooth decay starts. So, what is the remedy for this? We should use toothpaste after every meal, because toothpaste contains some mild bases and that neutralizes the effect of acid. So, we can conclude like this: pH of our mouth is nearly 5.5, and due to attack of bacteria, some acid is produced in our mouth, and it decreases the pH value of our mouth decreases, and due to this it causes tooth decay. Okay. So, what is the remedy? Remedy is we should use toothpaste after every meal, because it contains some mild base and it neutralizes the effect of acid. Neutralizes the effect of acid. Okay. Again I conclude this. pH has very important role in tooth decay. As you know, tooth enamel is the hardest substance in our body, and it is made up of calcium phosphate, which is very hard, and the pH of our mouth is nearly 5.5. So, when we eat food, the food particles stick in our teeth, and due to attack of bacteria some acids are produced, and due to this the pH value of our mouth goes below 5.5 and it causes tooth decay. So, to prevent it, we should use toothpaste after every meal, because toothpaste contains some mild bases that neutralizes the effect of excess acid in our mouth. Okay. Now, one more thing is, it plays very important role in self defense. Bee sting it produces methanoic acid, and due to this the pH value decreases, and what will happen then? It causes pain and irritation. Okay. To get relief from this pain, we should rub baking soda on the sting area as you know. What is the nature of baking soda? Baking soda is basic in nature, it is mild base. So, it neutralizes the effect of acid, and due to this we get relief from pain. Okay? So, when there is bee sting, we should rub baking soda on the sting area, and it neutralizes the effect of acid. So, we get relief from pain and irritation. Now, take a screenshot of it. So, you can see how pH is very important in our everyday life. How animals self defense, bee sting, at the time of bee sting it produces methanoic acid and the pH value on the sting area get decreases, and due to this it causes pain and irritation. So, to get relief from this pain we should use baking soda on the sting area. Why baking soda? Because baking soda is a mild base and it neutralizes the effect of acid and maintains the pH to its normal level, and that is why we get relief from this pain. And as you know how pH is important, plays very important role in tooth decay, as tooth enamel is the hardest substance in our body and it is made up of calcium phosphate. Okay? But when we eat food, the food particles get stick in our teeth, and due to attack of some bacteria, some acids are produced in our mouth, and so the pH of our mouth decreases. Okay? And due to this the tooth decay start. So, what is the remedy for it? Remedy is only we should use toothpaste after every meal, because toothpaste contains some mild bases and that neutralizes the effect of acid. Okay? Now, one more important thing related to pH. For plants, pH is very important for the healthy growth of plant. Okay? It is very important for growth of plant. Because plants grow within certain range of pH. What happens? They grow within certain range of pH. So, as we know, by using chemical fertilizers, the pH of soil get decreases, and due to this the soil becomes acidic. Okay, what happens? The soil becomes acidic. And what should we do when the soil becomes acidic? Because in this case the plants will not grow properly, and so to maintain the pH required for the proper growth of plant, we should mix some basic substances like chalk powder, quicklime, etc. We should mix chalk powder, quicklime with the soil, and so by mixing these substances in the soil, because these substances are basic in nature, so the pH of soil comes to its normal level, and so it is very helpful to maintain the pH of soil, and that is why plants grow within certain range of pH. So, you can understand it how pH of soil is important for the proper growth of plant. Now, take a screenshot of it. Now, this class is over today, and we will discuss some more topics in the next video. Thank you, students.